Say hello. Look at this. Oh, well, hi. We're way over there. Come over here, Tucker. These are Trigger's babies, and they just love following me around underfoot. The light green ribbon there, that's Theo, and red, Topper, and the pink Tully, the girl. What are you doing on my shoe? So they're very inquisitive. They know these shoes. They're like, hey, are you bringing me something to eat? My shoe is not something to eat. You're waiting for your wet food, right? Because right now we're supplementing, the canned food just to give Mom a break. Hi, little cutie. Theo. What's the spinning around for, huh? I think I'm just playing. There's Theo tackling the red ribbon, which is Topper. So Theo, 1.12 pounds, and red's 2.2, so only like, 6 ounces wet. Okay. Tucker. Hi, Tucker. Hi, baby. Yeah, what you want? What you want? You're gonna come over here and say hi too? And then look at the little one back there with the yellow ribbon. Toby, you're so cute. Come on, Toby. Baby, I just got them all out of bed. Come here, Toby. I gotta come get you. Look at you sticking your tongue out. Oh, you tired? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, what are you sticking your tongue out for? You're not gonna lick me. Lick, 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 lick. Oh, there you go. Such a nice coat. What are you doing back there now, Tucker? I'm gonna take your bed away. Yeah, look at the little yellow one now. Isn't he cute? He's a cutie. What you doing down there, huh? Oh, yeah, little cutie. Uh-huh. Oh, you're gonna sit by my feet for attention. Tully, and I'm gonna pull this string around so everybody can see what color you are. Theo's investigating back there. What'd you find, huh? What did you find back there? Say, you guys know I bring in the wet food, right? I bring there right now. They get some canned puppy food, Stretch, to supplement with their mom since they're getting older, because they have to start learning how to eat the dry TLC food too, which they are, because we're feeding that now to Mom and the puppies, and they snack on it, we'll say. Look at them all. Because they're so tiny. They're all less than 2 pounds, pretty much. So you have Topper's 2.2, and he's your red ribbon right there. And then the green ribbon, Theo, he's 1.12 pounds. And Tucker, 2.6. You're the biggest. You're the biggest. You guys love following me around everywhere, don't you? You guys, oh, there's that cutie. Get it, get it. That chair is like the obstacle course in here in the playground. Okay, let's get you some toys. That didn't work. Cuida. What? What? Oh yeah, you're gonna come join the fun too? So nobody's shy. No, nobody's crazy. They're not running around the room. They just want to follow me around, which is the perfect companion dog to yeah, who's ringing the bell back here too? You guys like those, huh? Go get it. Yeah. Where's your other toy that you guys like? I think that makes the noise sound. Look at it. Toys! Little toy. Oh my gosh, that Tully. Yep. Look at that. Tully. Where you going with that? It's funny. The banana ears, the peelings have little things in it that make noises. Here's another one. Get her, she's back to me. Here she goes. You're so proud you got the banana. I pulled another one out. Looky. Oh, you followed me around a little one with the little yellow ribbon. I'm gonna pull this back out of the way. I know you like the chair because you know I'm gonna sit there, and then they know they can crowd around me. Yes, the banana makes a lot of noise, doesn't it? Those peelings make a little crackling noise. I put another one out there. Look at here. Green is Theo. Look at him spinning around. Oh, you found your own banana. Tully's over here. She's working on hers. Hi, Tully. You like me and your banana. And then look at Topper. Oh, you found a big toy. Where you going with that big toy, huh? Oh, look at him. Look at, oh my God, he's so cute. Theo. It's your banana too, didn't you? Yeah. Tully, you still working on yours? And where are you going with your banana, huh? Do you know? Ooh, Tucker, you got that big duck too? Its wings make crackling noises. You like the crackling noises, huh? I know you still have her. Oh, what? What? They're not letting you in? They're not letting you. Oh, yeah, you're lucky. Oh, so sweet. Look at this. Little banana for you. Oh, go get it. Oh, Tully's gonna take it back. Oh. You know what? Here's Tully. I put this back here so we could see the pink string so we know it's our girl. And you and your little fascination with me and my shoes, huh? That's adorable. Theo is 1.12 ounces. Oh, the little girl. Boy. The yellow. Toby. Little tiny Toby. And my shoes. My shoes are not a toy. And Tucker. Is that floor a little slick? Yeah, a little spin out there. Let me see what else toys you guys like, huh? Something little. How about a bear? It's little. For some reason, you usually like that. Yeah, Tucker likes that. Toby, there's a little baby Toby. Here. Toby, you back under my chair waiting for me? There's Theo, Tully, Tucker. Toby. See you running there, so cute. You don't have it all figured out yet. How does it all work, huh? Well, go get it. No, go get it. Go get it, Toby. Go get it, Toby. Get it, Toby. Get it, Toby. Where'd he go? Did he get away from me? Oh, yeah, that gets you all excited, huh? Bigger than you. Here comes Tully. You gonna check it out, Tully? Oh, she's just so sweetie. Toby. Hi, you said, oh, there's a hand. I want to get some attention too. Yeah. Oh, look, little kisses. Hi, here. I'm finishing up. Say bye.